nothing. Okay. Got our fan blowing. The splitter fits up in there quite nicely. Let's tuck that for now. Do a better job later. Okay, so we got it together. I'm going to gather my stuff up here, and then I'm gonna see what happens if we fire it up. You know what? I'm gonna take it over to the TV. I'll meet you over there. I just set this thing up by the TV in the basement. Don't know what's gonna happen. Gonna change my input here. I don't know which one it goes to. Oh, apparently all my sources are not connected. Here we go. HDMI 2. So we'll hit the button and see what happens. See if we get any action. Well, here, I'll show you the button. Button hides right there. Ooh, lights, camera, action. Let's see what we got. Fans are turning. Waiting for something to happen. Let me go grab my flashlight. Fans are on. We got some sort of power. Don't know what though. We don't really know what's happening here. I got no display though. See if I can figure out why. Do the old unplug and plug back in trick. Oh. I'm gonna see if I can troubleshoot this. Alright, so I went and grabbed my boot drive that I made last night. USB turned into an ISO file boot drive, so I plugged her in, turned the computer on, and now I have a Windows prompt screen telling me to choose stuff. So, English, United States, time, English, keyboard input method, US. Next, please. Installing Windows now. Guess it's a pretty big deal. Alright, I will get back to you. I'm right in the middle of making this final video, and I realized I never finished it. So when I said I'll get back to you, it was July then, now it's October 20, and here we are.